For making purchase order, click on to transactions and select purchase order. Enter the supplier name, PO type, item code and item name. And its quantity. Enter the tax code. Add all necessary purchase order items. Click on to save option. Purchase order saved successfully. You can print this purchase order. For making purchase order list, click on to reports and select purchase order list. Verify from date and to date. Click on to show details. The purchase order list is displayed along with its total amount. Click escape to exit. Purchase order and purchase order list has been done successfully. Thank you.